everyone, in this video, I will show you Canva turn text to speech. So what you're going to do here is you have to open Canva and then go to elements and look for a video right here. Okay, so you can go to elements and then type something like keyword and then tap videos. And what you're going to do here is to look for that specific video and just drag the video to the blank page. Feel free to adjust the video if you want. Once you have your video right here, what you're going to do is to open a new tab and then look for voice maker, enter or paste your script here, and then look for that specific voice that you want to use. Go to default voices because in pro voices you need to pay for that. So for free, you just have to go to this area, default voices, and look for that specific voice that could match to your script. Okay, so for example, this one, I'm looking for a female or woman voice that could fit to my video. After that, you can listen or you can tap this convert to speech. You can adjust a setting right here like voice volume, pitch, and so on. Now you just have to wait as it is converting to speech, and then once done, download the audio, and then you will see it right here that you have downloaded the audio. The next thing to do here is you have to go to Canva and then go to upload and then upload the audio. You just have to click upload files or go to audio, upload file, drag the audio right here, and that's it. Now you just have to adjust to fit, and this is the sample or this is the result.
Began its ascent, casting a golden hue over the rugged terrain. A young girl laced up her worn boots.
You can go back to voice maker to change, or you can also change the video if you want. After that, you can now download this and set to MP4, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to see more content like this and tutorials like this. See you again in our next video.